Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are picking it up at part 2 of my video where I showed you how to take a outfit from Pinterest and put it on an AI avatar or an AI model. So if you haven't watched that first step in the video, be sure to go back and watch part 1 because we are picking up on part 2 where I'm going to show you how you can use products if you're an Amazon affiliate, or if you have your own products that you promote, that you can add those to your AI avatar and have that model promoted. So if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned. Okay, so I already have my AI model right here. The next step is I need to have a product that I want the model to promote. So again, I'm going to use Amazon affiliate as our example for this tutorial. So I'm just going to go over to my Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so here is my Amazon affiliate account. You can see right there. So let's say that we want her to promote a watch. All right, so I would just put in what I want. So I just said watch for women, luxury, and just look at some different options. I like to go with something that has good reviews, and is ranked pretty high and isn't very costly. So I think I'll just go with this one. So I'm going to click on this link. All right. And then one thing you want to be sure that you do, if you're not familiar with Amazon affiliate, or if you are, I'm just going to show you where to get your link so you can promote the product. So up here at the top, it says get link. You would click that, and then you'll have your own personal link that you would be sure to put inside of whatever social media platform that you're using. So I just wanted to show that. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is we need this image. So let's take a snapshot of this. Okay, so I'm going to use my snipping tool and I'm just going to get a copy of this watch. Okay. All right, so now the next thing I want to do is go back into my AI generator of choice, which for this tutorial we're going to use Google Gemini, but there are other AI platforms that you can use. For example, I create most of my AI models inside of Higgsfield. Higgsfield is a paid platform, but the quality of the AI models is really crisp, and you don't have to have the watermark at the bottom like you do with Google Gemini. So I'll just show you an example of this, and let me pick maybe one more. Okay, so you see how this AI model is promoting a camera. So if you want really clear images in 1K all the way up to 4K, you may want to use Higgsfield, and inside of Higgsfield I use Nano Banana. So right there, Nano Banana Pro. Now if you want to learn more about this, be sure to stay to the end of the video. Now I'm back inside of Google Gemini. You see I have the image of my AI avatar. So now I'm just going to paste in the image of the watch. Okay, so very, very simple. And then I'm just going to put in a simple prompt to tell it to highlight the watch, since that's what we want to promote. All right, so I put in a very simple prompt. I said place the image of the watch on the model's hand. I want the watch to be the hero shot. All right, so if you look here, this is the image that it created, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do. It put the watch on the hand, and we still have the same image of the model. So of course I would probably do more images just like this, showing different poses, highlighting the watch. And again, because I am inside of Google Gemini, you will have this watermark, so I would suggest that you go back into Canva. If you want to remove that, I can show you how to do that. Now I'm back inside of Canva. I've uploaded the image. You would just download from Google Gemini and then upload into Canva. So I'm going to put that on this page, and then you could either set the image as the background and it'll get rid of it. If you don't want to do that and you just want to edit the picture, you would hit edit, magic eraser, and just erase. And now it's gone. Okay, so that's how you can do that. And then from here, again, you can resize it. I just put it on this template, but this is how you would do it. So this is really simple, really easy. From this step, you would just share, download it as a PNG, increase the quality, and just make sure that you're on the right page, and then hit download. Now, if you want to learn more about how to create an AI avatar, or maybe even an AI twin, like for example, if you see here, I'm inside and I'm showing some of the AI avatars that I've created. And for example, the avatars will move, they can talk. So if you want to learn more about that, be sure to check out my link. I have a new mini course, which is the Faceless AI Avatar Starter Kit, and it'll show you how to do these steps. Really simple, not difficult at all. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time.